Here's a challenge for you. Take a look at this expression. At first glance, it looks intimidating. Negative exponents, mixed numbers, nested fractions, and decimal divisions. But don't worry. Here's our strategy. We'll break this into 3 parts. Pause the video and try it yourself. All right, ready? Let's solve it together. Step 1. Simplify the inner expression. We have 3 to the power of -1 minus the square root of 1 and 7/9. Remember, a negative exponent means we take the reciprocal. So 3 to the -1 equals 1/3. Now for the mixed number. We multiply the whole part by the denominator, then add the numerator. 1 times 9 plus 7 gives us 16/9. The square root of 16/9 equals 4/3. Now we substitute 1/3 minus 4/3. So our inner expression simplifies to -1. Step 2. Apply the exponent to our result. We need to raise -1 to the power of -2. The negative exponent flips it to a fraction. So this becomes 1 over -1 squared. -1 squared is +1. A negative times a negative gives a positive. So we get simply 1. Step 3. Divide by 0.25. We have 1 divided by 0.25. Converting decimals to fractions makes calculations easier. Dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. So 1 divided by 1/4 becomes 1 times 4, which equals 4. Great. The entire numerator equals 4. Step 4. Now let's tackle the denominator. We have 37 over 300 divided by 0.0925. Let's convert the decimal. For decimal places means denominator is 10,000. Both numbers are divisible by 25. Numbers ending in 00, 25, 50, 75 are divisible by 25. Now we divide fractions. Multiply by the reciprocal. The 37s cancel out. This is the key insight. We're left with 400 over 300, which is 4/3. Excellent. The denominator equals 4/3. Step 5. Divide numerator by denominator. We have 4 divided by 4/3. Dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. So 4 becomes 4 times 3 over 4. The 4's cancel out, leaving us with just 3. Beautiful. The big fraction equals 3. Step 6. Almost there. Add the last term. We need to calculate 12.5 times 0.64. Let's convert to fractions. 12.5 is 25 halves, and 0.64 is 16/25. So our multiplication becomes 25 halves times 16/25. The 25's cancel out. We get 16 over 2, which is 8. Now we add our 2 results. 3 plus 8 equals 11. And there we have it. Our intimidating expression simplifies to just 11. A nice, clean integer. Quick recap of our 6 steps. Negative exponents, mixed numbers, decimal conversions, and fraction division, all leading to 11. Ready for the next challenge? Here's another one. Try it yourself. Watch the next video for the solution. Thanks for watching.